Welcome, guys, to the Steeze Tech channel. And today we are going to check the various methods with which you can improve your computer's performance and speed up your workflow. So we are going to begin with the startup method. So you open your search bar and type Task Manager. Then you open it. When it opens, you search for Startup on the sidebar, and after clicking it, you disable every program that has been enabled there. So all these programs do is that when you start up your computer, they open up and they slows up your computer system on boot. So you should make sure you turn off each and every one, except maybe one or two system apps that you think are really necessary. So those ones you can leave it on. So if that method doesn't work, we have the system method, and this, what you're going to do is you're going to type Windows R on your keyboard, and it's going to open the run. And what you're going to do is you're going to type sysdm.cpl. It's open the system properties, and you're going to go to the advanced settings. And when you open the advanced settings, you're going to adjust for best performance. And when you click on that toggle, you can tweak certain tabs there, but I would advise you leave it like that and click on apply and then OK. This should at least improve your computer speed. And if that method doesn't work, what we are going to do is we are going to turn on a feature in our settings. So we'll go to our search bar and type storage settings and open it. So after opening the storage setting, what you're going to do is you're going to turn on your storage sense. And what the storage sense does is it clears off your system cache, system junk, and other temp files that make your computer run slow. And also you're going to toggle certain options, and this one is going to be of your preference, which is the duration with which a temp file should be deleted from your computer. And this depends on you, but doing it on an earlier scale helps your computer in the long run. So I think, this method should also improve your computer performance. And if this method doesn't work, this is the final and the most effective one of all. So in this step, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your keyboard and type Windows R and open the run. And after opening the run, you're going to type clean mgr and then press OK. It's going to open a disk cleanup pane, and all you're going to do is select all the options there and delete them permanently. All these files are also system junk that you're not going to need in the long run. So after deleting everything, your computer should be running fast.